This is the Equity Committee's Quarter 1 review for the 2019-2020 school year. Our IndyStar indicator is A.1.07. Equity survey data. So these are the results from the equity survey that we sent out to the entire staff. Our survey questions were, do you feel that the way you teach is equitable? How do you know? What types of equity training would you like to receive, and how would you like to learn about equity? There were 28 responses to the survey. For the first question, do you feel that the way you teach is equitable? 20 staff members responded yes, 7 staff members responded I'm not sure, and 1 staff member responded no. The follow-up question, how do you know, generated 28 different responses. When asked what type of equity trainings the staff would like, it seems that the biggest interest areas are socioeconomic equity, academic equity, and racial equity. How would you like to learn about equity? Choose all that apply. So it seems that most staff members would prefer to be provided with materials to have equity training in small groups, while the least preferable option is whole group activities or trainings. Next steps for the Equity Committee. We have already reached out to admin to schedule time for staff equity activities, trainings, and conversations. We will provide the staff with articles to read and discuss in their teams. We are looking into seeing if we could get a guest speaker to possibly come and talk to the staff about equity in education. The Equity Committee would also like to team up with the FACE Committee on their multicultural event coming up soon, and we will be reaching out to them to set that up. We also planned on attending district professional development trainings on equity and reporting back to the staff what we learned. Also, in quarter 2, you can look out for an equity Google site that will host all of the resources that we find and share with you guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to anyone on the Equity Committee. The Equity Committee consists of Ms. Powell, Ms. G. Williams, Ms. Yates, Ms. June Williams, Ms. Cerullo, and Ms. Savaleta.